This one.
You got it.
But I have a way to charge if you need to. It's no big deal.
See my aluminum tape in my tail?
Yeah.
Hey, what?
What?
Oh, yours goes on.
Mine goes on all the time.
Where's the flicker?
Down low.
Oh, there it goes.
Right there.
Oh, nice. Oh, so yours goes on way past, way.
That's just because I use a different setup.
Yeah. Mine will go on. Well, you know. What is it? 60% or something?
Yeah. So are we gonna?
Oh yeah. We'll just do whatever. We can play. Just keep it tight.
Okay.
If you want to play.
I'll let you go up first, and then I'll slide in behind you. I got to get off the grunge.
Channel cleared.
Yeah, the wind totally shifted.
Yeah, it's funny. Well, actually, now I go through.
I don't think it matters.
Yeah, it definitely. You can land.
Especially not with this plane. It doesn't really care. You just pop the nose up and it lands.
Exactly. It's the easiest shit ever. Though.
Yeah. All right, I'll go behind you.
Just see it's a little bumpy right there.
Yeah, I see it.
Looks great with the gray in the back.
Yeah, I know, because then there's contrast.
Hot.
So when we do any maneuvers, I'm just going to tell you, I'll stay to the outside of the turn.
Gotcha. Okay.
Kind of like that.
Yeah, baby. So you're cruising like a half right now?
Yeah, right around half. Think I'm low?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do a full power.
Okay. I'm a little behind you. Go ahead.
That's why I follow the leader. See, I'm gonna follow you. You do your thing.
Okay, I'm going to have to come around behind you first. And then I'll switch in front of you. Alright, so I'll let you get behind me on this one.
Perfect.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yep. Now it's kind of steady.
There we go. Be low.
Yeah, I'm best. It's funny, you're best at following, so am I. It's hilarious.
Well, it's harder to follow. It's actually a lot harder to follow.
It is, huh?
Yeah. But I
Because you got to adjust to the other person.
right, and I prefer to follow.
So do I.
So we're
both
kind of
in that
screwed.
same shit.
We're screwed because we're both doing the same thing.
Time remaining 1 minute.
What battery are you?
I got plenty of time. Plenty of time. Because I have my timer set to go off a minute early. A minute early, it's like 4 minutes. We're good. Is there any wind in a high alpha position or no?
Yeah, let's do high, low high. Yeah, we'll come in the right direction.
Okay. So I'll let you set up and then I'll set up behind you. Because you always got to pitch the nose up first.
Bump you down here. I'm gonna do it over here, yep.
30 seconds.
I'm gonna go the whole way around like that.
Oh, an alpha.
Yeah, just to keep it slow so I can get low.
Get low, yeah.
10, 9, 8,
Dude, look how dark it is over there.
Badass though with the Thunderbirds.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Some cross right now.
Yeah.
That's the one thing about here, where when I fly on the coast, or like Pacifico, you don't get any fucking rotary in the beach.
Yeah, because it's all clean.
Right off the screen. Yeah. That's the benefit.
Look how dark it is over there. Sheesh.
Timer over 48
All
seconds.
right. Guess we'll land from the right,
Go
from the
right,
left.
yep, from right there.
Okay.
Gear down.
Took my front
1
gear.
minute over.
I'm gonna let you slide in underneath first.
Cool.
I'm way ahead of you though. Shit.
Yeah, you are. I'll land back there.
Go ahead. Go. Go.
Okay. Okay, I'll stay back there. You're clear.
Okay.
I'm on the far right side when you land.
Not used to here. The wheels are so hard on this thing too.
They are?
Yeah. Cool.
We'll do better as we go through that.
Yo, I just got to get used to this place again.
But the air's different, huh?
Yeah, it's bumpier, but only
But
down
there's
low.
certain days, yeah, there's certain days where it's super smooth too. Like my first day back, it was like no wind.
No, and I was looking at the conditions the whole way. Before, the wind picked up just before we got here.
Yeah.
There was none. It's a good first flight here, though.
Yeah.
What, it's been like 2 years?